I thought I would vlog today. I'm actually waiting on a new vlog camera to arrive, which I'm so excited for. So hopefully that shows up today, but I thought, what the heck, I'll just start vlogging now. I'm actually just headed to like Chemist Warehouse or the warehouse or something, because I'm buying a present for Brit because it's her last day at uni today, which is so exciting. She's been at uni for like 7 years, so yeah, I just wanted to put something little together. We always give each other little gifts and stuff, so if you think it's extra, it probably is, but both our love language is receiving gifts. Like every few days I'll go home, there's like a little chocolate on my pillow or something. Like we're just always getting each other gifts. So obviously I wanted to get her a gift to mark this occasion, so I just got her like a little mask skincare kit thing from Mecca. It's just like a tiny like holiday set one, and then a little like party popper thing that looks like a champagne bottle, and I've written her a card and I've put it in this little bag, but I mean, I'm sure that's fine. Like she would honestly be happy with just a card, but I kind of want to fill up the bag with something else. Yeah, I have a meeting in town in like an hour and a half-ish, so I'm just gonna quickly do this. I also just got a text to say my camera arrived at home, which is so exciting, so I will swap over to that camera once I get home, and then I'll like take you along. I probably won't vlog the meeting, but it's kind of like a mini conference thing. It's for Look Good Feel Better and L'Oreal. Anyways, I don't want to bore you guys with heaps of chat, so I'll just bring you along with me today, and then I'm gonna probably see my manager for like a catch up afterwards. It's a good park. So busy today for a Friday. I thought everyone would be at work. Apparently not. Okay, so I've decided I think I'm going to go to Chemist Warehouse because I don't think they'll have anything that she wants at the warehouse. I don't know. Surely I can find something good. And we did just go the other day and buy lip balm, so like that would have been a good thing to get her, but I'm thinking maybe, although I already got her a face mask, I was going to say like something from Antipodes. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just being extra. I don't even need to add more stuff to it, but I just want to, so it's like extra special. Alrighty, let's go have a look. I'll show you, well, I'll vlog in there, we'll see what they have. Guys, it's so busy. What the heck? So that was relatively successful. I ended up getting her cute little protein balls. I can't see my camera right now to know if this is focusing, hopefully it is. But yeah, they had, I think it was like 4 for something, and I think these will be good for her because she's relief teaching as well for like work, and school doesn't finish till I think December the 9th, so these would be nice for her to like take to school, just like healthy. I think one of them even has like collagen in them, which I thought was quite cool. Oh yeah, this one. She loves doing those like nourishing oils with SPF in them and like laying out in the sun, and she's just run out of her one from Raro, and this is very like colors she would like, so obviously I could not use this, I would burn to a crisp, but hopefully she likes this, so yay! Very pleased to get that done, and I'm gonna leave it on her bed in case she gets home before me, so it'll be like a surprise, but I might actually get home earlier. It just depends how long this little conference thing takes, and then my catch up with Abby. I'll check you guys when I get home. We can open that new camera, which I'm very excited for. I literally have to leave or I'll be running late, but I'm just gonna chuck this stuff in the bag. So I have this little party popper thing, which is so cute. And then I found this cute little face mask. It's just like a 1-use or maybe 2-use face mask set. And it's got like a hydrating eye thing as well, and like a applicator, and then some little sheet masks, and it just has like seashells and stuff on it, which is very her vibe. So I'm gonna put that in, and the oil. Yay, this is so exciting. Right, put some of the bliss balls at the bottom, and then her little card. Just gonna put it there. This is so exciting. I kind of hope that she gets home before me, so it's like, oops, sorry guys. So it's an extra surprise. Yay! Look what arrived! Eee! Thank you so much, Sony, for sending me this. I'm so excited. Literally, they've designed it for content creators. So if you guys are interested in starting to make content, I feel like this would be a really great option. The exact same price point as every other camera I've tried in the past. There's also a cool stand you can get with it, which I have ordered, but it's not here yet. I just charged it up. So this is literally all the charger is. It's just a little cable and you put it into your computer, which is so handy, and it was so simple to set up. Put in the battery and stuff that came with it. If I show you, It's literally 1 page of instructions. And I'm not gonna lie, usually when I get a new camera, I just ignore the instructions and turn it on and go. I don't know about you guys. And then like later down the road, I need to set the day and like I don't know about certain functions and stuff. So I love that this one is just 1 page. So easy. So yeah, you just like charge it on your computer. Yeah, looks very sleek and nice. Oh my gosh, I need to change over cameras. This one I'm using right now is so bad. So yeah, this one has autofocus and it came with this little windscreen thing you can put on the top. Isn't that cute? Which reduces the sound of the wind when you're shooting outside. So I'm gonna change over to this camera now and then we can try out some of the features and stuff because I think it's got like that skin blurring one which you can crank up or down if you want. And I'll link everything down below as well. So it's called the ZV-1, Sony ZV-1 if you guys are wondering. So update went really well and they gave me a goodie bag which was so nice of them. Say hello. And now we're in Johnson and Leah just catching up. Friday afternoon at the agency, best time to come in.
I'm sitting on the deck with my new suntan lotion.
Oh.
I've had a very emotional day.
How was your lunch? Was it good?
It was good.
Sorry, I'll turn my AC off. Yeah, that workshop was so good this morning, so I didn't properly explain it really, but it was basically just sharing some social media strategies and ways to implement those with the Look Good Feel Better team. Why is the air still on? Oh, there we go. I'll link Look Good Feel Better's website down below if you guys are keen to learn more about them. This is not sponsored or anything, I just think they're a great not-for-profit. Like, they support people going through cancer and basically make them feel like a refreshed version of themselves. Like, they give them makeup tips, help with wigs, support, like goodie bags, all this stuff. They're a really amazing organization. So yeah, if you want to check them out, make sure to look in the down bar because I'll put all the info there. And yeah, I just went into the offices and saw the girls, which was so nice, but I'm just gonna head back home now. The traffic's terrible, so I'm probably just gonna blast my music. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get back.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, it's Tana Mojo. We're just having these hydrolite. Oh, I shouldn't have to do that on this. Does it focus? Did it?
Yeah.
It's got like autofocus on it, so you
Oh my
don't
gosh,
have to go,
it did. You're blurry.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, that's one of the product features. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but they've built it into the camera because it's for content creators, so you don't have to go like this. Like, it will just focus on the
Yeah, it did. You went out of focus and then as soon as I took it out of the way, you were in focus again.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Because I went through the L'Oreal girls to go to the workshop today. They hooked me up with a little gift bag, which is so nice of them. So we were just opening it, but then we thought we'll stop and vlog it. Must be one of the newer black opiums. It's called Neon. Eau de Parfum Neon. It smells so good. Similar to the original, but more fruity. So I think this will be a perfect nighttime scent for summer. So exciting. And then some shampoos. This is the Redken All Soft range, which Britt already has her eye on. So I'll just put that over there. Should I just tip it out, or is that like bratty? Because I kind of want to see them all. I better not.
Just tip it out.
Oh, my strapless bra's falling down. Okay, I'm gently tipping it out because I'm not a brat. Ooh, what's this? Revitalift Laser Glycolic Peel. Whoa, we should try that.
What is it? What's glycolic peel mean?
It's just like a skin treatment. Usually you'd get this at the, like a facial at a clinic. Cool, it's like a resurfacing kind of thing. You'd probably like it because Brett loves those like pore masks. I feel like this is kind of similar.
Okay.
So we'll have to try that out. Oh, a new mascara. Falsies Lash Lift Maybelline mascaras are the best. So I'm excited.
They are actually the OG.
And then we've got some lip products. These are like some L'Oreal lip products. These are really pretty.
That's a pretty red, that one.
And then we have, is it La Roche-Posay? I'm never sure how to say.
Can I see? Yeah.
I think this might be a hand cream. It doesn't say, but it's got a photo of hand on it. It's like in French. Repair hand cream maybe. It's so weird that there's no English on it. It's like all in French.
Really?
Yeah, maybe it's just a PR sample, I'm not sure. And then we've got some other lip products. What's this? A brow pencil, Epic. And from YSL we have a Rouge Pure Couture. It doesn't say. It's probably a lipstick. Oh yeah, nice.
Ooh, which colour?
This is so pretty. I'm guessing a red. Oh, it's a pink. Cool. This is honestly really sweet of them. I just wanted to go along because I love Look Good Feel Better. Very spoiled. They did not need to give me this stuff. We're just having a little snack and I wanted to show you guys these on camera because they are so good. They're from Pack and Save and they have vegan mince and cheddar. Obviously the cheddar's vegan too, but they taste so legit. We had them, I think it was last week, and they're not in the frozen section, they're just by like the fridge. They're from Pack and Save. Hang on, I'll pull this out. They should almost be ready, but they're so good. It's a must-have. Are you trying to be cool and cut this with one hand? Oh, you can kind of see the cheese pull there. Hang on, guys, look. I'm not a chef channel, but just look at that. That is exquisite. Hey again, guys. It is now Tuesday. I have not picked up my camera in a few days because I've just been doing boring work stuff, but now I have a Bondi Sands event and I'm taking my friend Liv along. Yeah, she's going to be my plus one and I'm dressed, I'll show you my outfit in a second, but I've got like a tennis skirt and stuff on because it's at a tennis club. So yeah, just going to take you guys along. I just heard on the radio that apparently traffic's terrible, so we might be running late. Anyways, I'm going to go pick her up now, but I just wanted to give you a brief overview of why we're suddenly at a tennis club. Also, how pretty are these eyelashes? They're from the new Ardell range that's meant to look like a lash perm. I don't know if the lighting's that good, but they're so pretty. I'll write the style name down below. I feel like they look so natural and good. I'm like shook. Also, I did fake tan with some Bondi Sands for the occasion. So I'll talk to you guys soon. This tennis club is so nice. It's huge. This is the one out in Westmere. I don't know what to do now. Should I take my bag off? No, it's like a bag at the tennis court. Yeah, playing tennis with your like little croc bag. Surely. Surely. Sun's coming out. Woohoo! Go for it. Actually, that fish smells really good. It smells perfect end to the night. Burger for your kids meal. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. With our kids' juice. Literally. Liv's got an assignment due tonight. I do. So we left the event a tiny weeny bit early. We got some epic goodie bags, didn't we? We did. Had to do like a haul. Sunscreen! Yeah, sunscreen, which we very much need as pale people. I know. Although I don't look that pale right now because I fake tan, but... This is the true pale. Yeah. Right here. I can't go back further, guys. I've got hiccups. But I know what I'm like. I'll forget to show you what's in the bag. So I thought I'd show you now. Liv's still here, by the way. Hello. We just had our kids' meals. So yeah, if you could not gather from the event, it's all sunblock, which is exciting. So they came out with 2 new sun care ranges. I believe this is, I don't know actually. Oh yeah, this is from the Hydra range. It's so good. I love the Neutrogena sunscreen spray. I'm so happy more brands are doing them. They're just so convenient, especially for like touching up at the beach. You don't get like sandals stuck to them. I find them less sticky, but they still have good SPF. And then there's just like a regular one. This isn't everything that's available in the range. I think there was like, oh, there's just a pump larger version of this as well. And then there's the Hydra range, which is also SPF 50, and there's like a after sun, which is so nice, with aloe, which I could have used this the other day. I got a tiny bit burnt on my back when I was sitting out Skyping at Rachel on the deck. So yeah, it's always good to have, you don't want to have products like this, like you don't want to need them, but sometimes you do, especially in New Zealand. By the way, this is not sponsored or anything like that. I'm just an avid sunscreen advocate. And then yeah, this is just the normal SPF 50 lotion. Great things to have in the cupboard. Always love it when a goodie bag is handy. If you guys need to get some sunblock, maybe incorporate it into your fake tan shop. Pick up some sunblock. I don't know what the price point is on these. Oh, here we go. So the lotions are $25 for this size, which is pretty good. This is huge. It's actually really cheap for sunscreen. Usually it's expensive. And then the sprays are $21, so that's actually a very reasonable price. Go off, Bondi Sands. Okay, well.
I said, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm gonna take my makeup off now and go to bed. Liv has to go do her assignment.
I do regret.
But we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Well, I will. Liv will not, sadly.
Bye.
But... Hey guys, it's me. Just concluding the vlog. Trying my best to sound like I don't have intensive hay fever right now. I've already had my steroid nose spray and antihistamines, but my throat is like awful. So yeah, hopefully it passes soon. Generally like a couple weeks of December I'm just like out of action bad, like just, and also obviously due to the climate of this year it's not a great time to sound sick. But yeah, I was gonna do a bit more filming today, but I think I'm just gonna stay in and do emails and stuff, and it's also rubbish day, so I have to go buy bin tags. Like, it's not very exciting. I mean, I could vlog, I guess, but I feel like the vlog's kind of long, so I'll just end it here. Apologies for the low qual outro and the low quality voice. Also, it's really shaky because I've got it on my lap, so sorry about that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog on my new camera. I'll link all the deets of the camera down below. I'm still waiting on the tripod to arrive that I ordered with it. So I will show you guys that in the next vlog in case you're interested, because it has like a record button and other features on the tripod, so it's like becomes part of the camera, which is really cool. I'll definitely show that to you in a video in case you guys are keen on trying out the camera and that kind of thing. And then yeah, I'll link all the like sunblock I talked about down below, those eyelashes, because I forget the number of them, but they're really pretty. I had a lot of compliments on them that night. And Ardell lashes are cheap. I often get them from farmers. Oh, you know what I should have vlogged? Donated blood. Just remembered because of my little sticker, and maybe vlogging that would have got flagged because it's like blood and it's kind of gross, but that was cool. So if you want me to talk about my experience in the next vlog, let me know. Yeah, but I hope you guys are having a really wonderful day, and if you're not, then know that you're loved. And this is like super corny, but yeah, I love and appreciate you guys so much, and hope you have a great rest of the week. I'll talk to you guys really soon. Bye guys.